Well, good morning, beautiful people. Happy Friday, July the 2nd. That's it. That's all. Bye, y'all. No, I'm just playing. How y'all doing today? I am doing well. I am glad you asked. It is a beautiful day. Y'all, it's chilly here. Let me know what's y'all's temperature. I woke up this morning and I was like, what is going on? It's cold. It's cold. But I'm not gonna say it's cold, it's chilly. And I did say we're not gonna talk about the weather anymore. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get us a cup of coffee. And that's the thing. I bought coffee yesterday, cold coffee, that is, because I told you I don't like to do hot coffee. Then I wake up today, bam, in your face, it's cool. So I'm still gonna do the cold coffee because I just feel like that's what I bought it for. I'm gonna go ahead and use it. So let's get ready to have us a cup of coffee, y'all, okay? All right, y'all, let's make this coffee because guess what? She has to go. She has to go. Oh, I'm going to get rid of a cup today because guess what, y'all? I got a haul for y'all today. But this cup here, I'm gonna take it with me because it has to go. I gotta get rid of some cups and some things like that. So let's get our mug here. Let's get our coffee out of here, and I'll show you guys what I got. I got the stock cold brew coffee, bold and smooth, unsweet black, low slow, 10-hour brew. This is the coffee that I got from Aldi's, and I got some almond milk creamer, non-dairy creamer, and this is vanilla. So we're gonna go ahead. I need a spoon, right? Don't I need a spoon for my coffee to stir it? Yeah, I do. So, oh gosh, the mailman is early today. Oh, maybe because of the so-called holiday. That's probably why. But he is too early. I've never seen no mail getting delivered this early in the morning. Ouch. Y'all, this stuff be so tight, I can't even hardly open it. Jeesh, Louise. Okay. Cold coffee, that coffee. Cold coffee, that coffee. Cold coffee. Okay. Y'all, today is a great day. Today is a beautiful day. Today is an amazing day. Today is going to be a great day. Be blessed in all you do. I keep telling y'all, love on others, show your appreciation towards others, be a light in the world. Be a light, y'all. Don't be of the dark, be of the light. No matter what nobody does or nobody says. There's our coffee, guys. There's our coffee. There we go. So, that is our coffee, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'll see you guys in a few. I have to get my stuff on. Okay? I had to come back, y'all, real quick to show y'all. I did, however, paint the picture. So I put the gold. I don't know if you guys can see it. You can see it right here. I put the gold here. I put a little bit there. And I put some here. So that's how that looks now. Let's go and finish getting dressed. I got some little stuff, y'all, like right here in this area that I'm gonna show y'all for the haul. So I probably won't show y'all that until later. And then too, I did put on my dossier thing that, well, not the thing, but I did order 3. I haven't like put it all the way in, but I did pick out some fragrances that I want. But I did put on the Floriano Cedarwood, if I forgot to just mention it to y'all guys. And yeah, later on we'll have a little haul, like dollar stuff haul. There's some great stuff that I can show y'all. And yeah, let me go ahead and get my stuff on so I can give you an outfit today and we can go. Yeah, guys, I love my little area. My little area I can get my shoes and stuff on today. Well, every day from now on, since I got my little stool here. But yeah, it's just a quick thing. So instead of me having to bend over and all that stuff, I could just go ahead and sit down, put my shoes on. It's a wonderful thing. It's a wonderful, beautiful thing. I don't know if y'all can hear the wind, but it's very windy, very windy. I don't know, it went from like 95 degrees to 60 something. I'm not complaining, but it's just, like I said, it was a shocker. And a lot of people have been, a lot of other people, YouTubers that I watch, they have been saying how it's unbearable, really too hot. So yeah, shout out to you guys. Hopefully you're having a cool day as well today. So I'm trying to get, let me see if I can get this hat. Let me see. We gotta get this ponytail. There we go. Gotta get the ponytail in the hat. Okay, I think that's better. Ponytail in the hat. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Oh, and for all of you who were wondering, I did fix my, well, temporarily, it seems like it's fixed, my little clutch here. I did fix it a little bit here, so hopefully it don't come off of here. So yeah. So guys, this is outfit of the day. Got my hat on. I did get my ponytail in there. Got my blue jean jacket, my jeans, and my all white Adidas's. I will see you guys later when we check in for the haul. Don't forget, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world be a much better place. Bye, y'all. Until later. All right, guys, I'm finally back home, and I was like, I know y'all want to see this haul, right? She only got a few items. Only a few items, but it is 7:17 right now this evening. I know y'all, it's late, so y'all ain't gonna get this video today until, I don't know, maybe 10 o'clock, because I'm gonna get ready to eat something and relax. And I'm trying to light my stick, y'all. So if y'all see that burning, that's what that is. I'm trying to cleanse my house. I've been around all kinds of folks today. At work, in the stove, in passing, all over, in my car. So I gotta, you know, get it together. Y'all wanna see what I'm cooking tonight? Go over to the channel and watch my video. Simply Black Vegan. I just posted a video. Y'all, it's awfully cold. I mean, it's hot. This is summertime months. I've made something that you guys will be interested in eating. Even for all you people who love tuna fish, you will love this recipe. And then it is nutritious, it is fulfilling, and it tastes really good. So you will really love to have that with a side of pickles or something, you know. But anyway, this is what I got. Onions, Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, garlic. I got some cumin going on the stove. And what else did I put in there? Cumin, turmeric, pepper, onion. What else? Oh, cayenne pepper. And that's it. So yeah. So if y'all see this blowing in the background or smoking, because I'm going to set it down here. So we're going to go ahead and get ready to get into this haul, y'all, because it's little. But I just wanted to bring you guys so you can see the little items that I did find for the home and out of the home. All right, y'all, we're going to just go ahead and get into this haul because it's super quick. I only got like a few items. So, I stopped at the bins. I'll show you what I got from the bins, and I'll show you what I got from Goodwill. So I got this from the bins. It's called Kids Tales. Y'all know we're going to have a new addition to the family. So this is 100% natural. I know 95% natural, 5% not, but it's so cute. I just thought that was so pretty as a little onesie thing. Still has the tag on it. So y'all already know all things are new. So I got this. I also picked up a bag of diapers. Guys, there's like 30 diapers in here. 30 diapers, and tells you like front and back. This is size 1, so this is newborn, right on time. So I got these. I also picked up, y'all, isn't that beautiful? This is a pillowcase. Yes, I'm gonna be putting it in the front room. This is so, just imagine how that's gonna look in here, over here, on that side. That is so pretty. It has the golds, the black and the white horseman head, and it has the false leather here and the gold. This part is 100% cotton, but this is not, and that's okay. So over here, cotton. All of this is cotton. So I just have to stuff it, but it's really cute, and it's like a lumbar pillow, and it has the zipper, like so. And you just stuff it in there, or you can get a pillow and put it in there. But I'm gonna stuff mine with something. So that is how that looks. I just thought that was so nice, and this was $1. So I got this for $1. Everything was like $1, if I ain't mistaken. And then, get on up there, get up there. You know you gotta be ready for the presentation. Okay. Now, you guys know I do sell products, my own homemade products. And I was just saying I was going to go on the site and go get these bags and stuff to mail my products. Guys, I found a whole thing of bags here. I'll show you what kind they are. But this is by Fuxury. I'm not cussing, but that's what it says. Fuxury, okay? Fuxury, like luxury, Fuxury. So basically you get all these bags and they're black and they have like a real pretty design. And then in the inside you have a bubble wrap. So I don't think that's bad for all these here. It doesn't tell me, unless I just can't see it, how many it is. But guys, this is a lot of bags, and all of these bags were $1. So I don't even have to go on that site and get the bags. I just put it in the atmosphere. He gave me what I wanted. So I got this as well. I also picked up this here. It is a marble container. I'm gonna put this in the kitchen next to my other utensils to put my little flat my flat wooden spatulas that are silicone, not the plastic, but silicone. So I'm gonna be able to take this out. But the purple stuff that was into the flowers, I had to ask the lady there to pull them out for me, and what she did, I was very grateful for that. So I'm gonna pull this out, and then I'm gonna clean it out real good, and this is gonna go in the kitchen on the counter. Last but not least, guys, I found this set. Okay, I've seen this before when I traveled to the bins, and I kept saying if it's there again, I will get it for 99 cents. This was 99 cents. It has all the cups in it, and if you can see the engraving, that's what it looks like. So pretty. And the lady helped me pry it out because last time I went, I didn't pick it up because it wouldn't allow me to, the cup wouldn't come out. So I was able to do it, and the cup comes out. And it's just missing one, but I just thought this was so cute. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and get rid of cups that I don't need. This was originally $9.99, and this is from Home Goods or somewhere. And this is Nicole Miller, so I'll show you guys the back of it. It's really, really pretty, Nicole Miller. And like I said, it has the engraving on it. They're so cute. They're black, and I love the fact that it has the holder that is black. So that's what they look like, and it just goes in here. And I do know maybe one day, I'm thinking and hoping that one day I might be able to find the cup that goes in here, and if I do, then I'll have 4, and then I'll have to just get rid of more cups. But I want to set this on the counter because I like it. So I got this for 99 cents, guys, and this is everything that I got from Goodwill and from the bins, and that is it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed my little bitty haul, and I'll give you a close-up of everything, and then we're going to end the video. So yeah, this is the cups for 99. This is so cute to me for the baby, so cute. And then I got these, and as you can see, that's the design on them. Here is the diapers, and here is the beautiful and this is a mustard color. So yeah, guys, that's what I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video today, and guys, I will see you in the next one. I have a fun-filled video probably for Saturday, but it probably will come later in the day, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all. Love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place.